Hi everybody, my name is Jane Tykina and I will be your instructor for the breast milk fortification for premature babies during your orientation in the NICU. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick glance of what the class is going to be like the day of. There's a couple things I'd like you to do before you come in. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. If you come here, so this is the home page. When you go to classwork, you're going to start, this is obviously you're at the welcome begin here, that's where you're viewing this video. Here's a little bit about me. I have been a nurse now for 6 years. I worked on postpartum for 1 year before I transferred to the NICU. I've been there, it'll be 5 years this year. I am a certified breastfeeding counselor and I also have my certification in neonatal intensive care. Uh, I really love my job. I think being a NICU nurse is a very special thing. You get to meet brand new people to this world. You get to be such a big part of their lives. They won't remember you, but their parents will remember every second you spent with them. And I think helping someone learn how to be a parent is one of the most rewarding things. So enough about that. Back to our class. This is just a quick course description, and you may have seen the advertisement. Let's see, it doesn't want to come up. We'll double check about that. The advertisement for our class. I know you guys have seen that already. Okay, we'll make sure it's attached before this goes live. These are just the course objectives. I recommend that you take a peek at those before you come in. And this is something that I'd like you to do beforehand, just because we only have a 2-hour class. If you guys could just go on this discussion board and introduce yourselves, where are you a new grad? Are you a transfer? Did you transfer from another unit within the hospital, different hospital? What's your experience level? And then just 2 facts about yourself. For instance, I do not drink coffee. I think the smell is amazing. I hate the taste. I can't do it. And I love the beach. On my days off, especially in the summer, you can find me at the beach as often as I can be. Okay? And one other thing I'd like you to do, I'm so sorry, but I would like you to do, if you guys could just look at these 2 articles. For the second one, there's only like 2.5 pages that I'd like you to look at. This other one is short, it's not that long. If you could just take a peek at this here. All right, it's not, there we go. It's not too long. Just take a peek at that before we come in. We'll go over it in class. You don't have to have it memorized. There's just stuff that is a good introduction, I think. Okay? And then we will start class with, we have a lecture. I have a PowerPoint to go along with it. You're welcome to download the PowerPoint and have it as notes. If not, do not be concerned. I will be talking about everything, all right? After our lecture, we're going to do a little quiz. That quiz is not graded. However, listen to the questions. That's all I'm going to say. And then we're going to do some demonstrations. I'm going to show you, and then I would like you to return those demonstrations about how we're going to fortify breast milk, okay? It's going to be don't worry, we're all going to do it together. Do not be concerned, okay? And then we're going to really just get into teaching parents about fortification, all right? Well, I want to teach you, I want to teach you so that you can teach them, okay? We're going to go over the best ways for them. I have a PowerPoint here. The best ways to explain to them why their child's breast milk is being fortified. The medical team will speak to them about this initially, but it's a lot of information that they're getting in rounds, so we have to be able to speak to it and explain it to them in another way, all right? We will also go in person, go over how you can teach a parent how to fortify breast milk. However, I did attach a video that I have previously done here, showing you just how to fortify breast milk 22 for a parent. Okay. This is just a little helpful video here about preparing and storing breast milk. These are handouts that I will have. You do not need to print these ahead of time, but these are for something that we give out to parents that just go over the steps. So you'll have that there while you're teaching them so that they can refer to it, they can take their own notes, but it makes it a little easier for everybody. Okay, and then we're going to go through scenarios. We're going to talk through these scenarios, okay? At the end, you do have a 15 question quiz. Don't worry, we're going to go over everything. There's going to be no surprises on that quiz. And then just a little course evaluation. and I have my key points here, okay? So you don't have to look at those just yet. They're going to be at the end of the course. Don't worry, we will have plenty of time. All right, looking forward to meeting all of you.